Okay, so we'll end here on the World of Warcraft character information model. These are all the different kinds of information types that a character participates in. What I've said is that the character itself does have attributes that go along, and in fact the most important of those attributes are the ones that allow you to define the look of the character. How does the character behave? How does the character look on the screen? But its class, the class the character is attached to, really has the main information, the bulk of the information about what that character is able to do. And what we said was it's a very sophisticated system that combines not only what the possible classes, what the possible things, abilities and specializations and talents, etc., that your character has. It's only when your character gets to a certain amount of something, a certain amount of focus, a certain level in the game, that these abilities are engaged. And therein lies the game. How do you get your character to the place where you can engage the abilities that allows it to do battle successfully with other characters and solve the quests that you go on? All right, so that's the bottom of it. That's the depth that we'll go to in terms of understanding the way that data interacts with the technology in the user interface in a sophisticated system like the World of Warcraft. I think you can see here that the sophistication of the transformation between the database and the screen in World of Warcraft is just miles and miles above the sophistication that you might see in Facebook or Google or your common web applications, which really mostly just have to paste information into the slots. Some calculations, some interesting things going on there processing-wise, but nothing like the sophistication of a game, of a highly visual game like World of Warcraft. And that sophistication comes entirely from making a compelling visual appearance to really very dry data that's stored behind the scenes in a database.